We want to like empower our students from the nursery to production and to sales. We want to make them like a leader. We don't want to make them laborer. We want to make them like a leader, like manager in every part.
At the school in Pharping, Dhaksinkali, on the southern edge of Kathmandu Valley, students are busy working in the field, producing vegetables and contributing to a larger need to grow food locally during these lockdowns. Niroj Shrestha, a community leader and educator, oversees their work and has helped train them.
Youths like learning agriculture from here, and youths doing lots of the thing themselves, and like even like agriculture stuffs, production, marketing, accounting, everything doing by done by the youths. When we see like changes in their like concept, like their thinking capacity, and also like see some of the youths go to villages, go back and do something in their own land, that is the main thing that we become very happy.
Mostly from low income families, these students are provided with free education, pocket money, and training on sustainable farming practices. The farming school is integrated with the Shikharapur Community Learning Center where students get formal and informal education. They hope to generate an interest in farming among youngsters.
Agricultural activities are decreasing, and mainly the youths are not doing it, and since we do not have lots of production in our country, we must do it because we need to eat food and we need to have rice, and there must be someone who produce it.
On any given day, students milk the cow, plow the field, plant vegetables, harvest them, and sell it in the market at a competitive price. Waste produced within the farm is reused and recycled. Students also learn computers, accounting, writing, marketing, research skills, and undergo entrepreneurship training.
गाउँमै अब रेगुलर स्कुल पढ्थ्यो अनि 10 क्लासमा ब्याक लाग्यो मलाई अनि त्यसपछि घर परिवारमा प्यारेन्ट्समा थाहा भएर यहाँ यस्तो छ भनेर थाहा भएर अनि फेरि एसई दिन आएको अनि एसई दिएर अहिले पास गरेर 11 पढ्दैछु मुख्य भए त अब यहाँ पढ्न नि पायो साथै अनि काम पनि सिक्न पायो
पढ्न पनि पाएको छ। फर्स्ट त पढ्न पाउनु ठुलो कुरा हो। अनि त्यसपछि यहाँ आएर मैले प्रोजेक्टको कामहरू सिक्न पाएँ, कम्प्युटरहरू पनि चलाउँछु, अहिले अकाउन्टिङ सम्बन्धी कामहरू पनि गर्छु अनि कृषिको कामहरू पनि सिक्न पाएँ। त्यही प्राविधिक कामहरू सिकेको छु, कसरी खेती गर्ने प्राविधिक। पहिला त परम्परागत रूपमा गरिन्थ्यो नि त घरमा, यहाँ आएर प्राविधिक रूपमा सिक्न पाएको छु।
Since its inception in 2018, the school has also supported 2,000 practicing farmers, and the school currently has 14 students from 4 different districts. They now hope to turn the farmer school into a larger agricultural campus where the learning never stops.
And is to like establish a agricultural college and a bigger like hostel for our students, like so that we can accommodate many students from many districts and do like mainly focus in production, mainly in organic production, and make a big market for like villagers and also for the Kathmandu city also.